Space is so vast that it can become easy to see the solar system as the astronomical equivalent of our backyards, ordinary, close at hand, and containing very few black holes. However, the truth is quite different. There are many bizarre things within the orbit of our sun that astronomers have yet to figure out. Here are 5 of the strangest unexplained phenomena in our solar system. The sun's surface is quite hot, to put it lightly. Although the surface is around 5500 degrees Celsius, the less visible atmosphere above the surface can get several times hotter, between 1 to 10 million degrees Celsius. The sun's corona is so faint that you can only see it during a solar eclipse. Then why is it so much hotter than the sun's bright surface? Scientists aren't sure. One theory is that it may be caused by millions of nano-sized solar flares that pop up on the sun's surface every second, transferring energy from the surface to the atmosphere above. Neptune is officially the farthest planet away from the Sun. Although it isn't a tropical paradise by any means, surface temperature typically don't get any higher than minus 200 degrees Celsius. Astronomers don't believe that Neptune is really quite as cold as it should be. This is because Neptune somehow radiates more than twice the amount of energy it gets from the Sun. Astronomers still aren't sure why. Probably the coolest theory speculates that it may be due to diamond rains. The theory goes a little like this. Neptune's atmospheric pressure causes the methane in its atmosphere to compress into diamonds. These diamonds then rain down, producing heat from friction caused as they fall in the heavy atmosphere. In turn, this explains the unusual amount of energy radiating from this otherwise very cold giant. If some astronomers are to be believed, there may be a ninth planet in our solar system. Sadly, they are not talking about Pluto. Astronomers have noticed some odd gravitational patterns in objects within the Kuiper belt. These gravitational anomalies could be explained by the presence of a large planet. They have named it Planet 9. Getting concrete proof of Planet 9 will be difficult because it will be in the outer regions of our solar system, making it hard for even our most advanced telescopes to locate. Astronomers have estimated that this planet, if it exists, would be an icy world, approximately 10 times the size of the Earth. Pluto is so small that it barely has the gravity necessary to hold onto its atmosphere. As a result, Pluto is constantly losing hundreds of tons of its primarily nitrogen atmosphere as it loops round the Sun. With this in mind, you might wonder why Pluto hasn't run out of nitrogen yet. Scientists ponder the same thing. Their best guess is that some sort of hidden geological process must be creating all the spare nitrogen, but the exact nature of that process remains a mystery. First observed in 1643, the ashen light of Venus is a phenomenon that lights up the dark side of the planet, making it visible to observers looking through telescopes. It has been described as being similar to Earthshine, which occurs when sunlight reflected from the Earth illuminates the dark parts of the Moon. This makes sense in the case of moons such as ours, as they are close enough to a large planet, the light from the Sun can reach them at odd angles by bouncing off the planet they orbit. However, this explanation doesn't make sense with Venus because it has no large orbiting body nearby. Astronomers have tried to photograph the ashen light, but sightings are so unusual and random that all attempts so far have failed. Many have given up trying to prove that the phenomenon exists. Even so, there are hundreds of reports of the ashen light from modern amateur stargazers to the 17th century astronomers. This glow is so elusive and contested that it has been called the Loch Ness of Venus. Thanks for watching. Comment below that which fact amazed you the most and also suggest that in which topic should I make my further videos. If you like the video then please do like it and don't forget to subscribe to my channel to get updated with such amazing stuffs.